Today we're gonna be working on Leetcode question number 238, product of array except self. We have been given an array nums, return an array answer such that the answer of I is equal to the product of all the elements of nums except nums of I. The product of any prefix or suffix of nums is guaranteed to fit in a 32-bit integer. You must write an algorithm that runs in O of n time and without using the division operation. So if we have been given this 1, 2, 3, 4, the answer is gonna be this 24, 12, 8, and 6. Okay, so our algorithm is gonna be very simple. If we have been given 1, 2, 3, 4, we are gonna be having the answer just thinking that we have elements on the left hand side. So in first iteration, we're gonna be calculating the product of every single point, just thinking that the elements are on the left side. And in the next iteration, we're gonna take the products from the right hand side, and then that's gonna be our result. So our result is we're gonna initialize the result equals to all of them are ones, new and nums dot length, and we're gonna fill them with ones, array dot fill the result by 1. That being said, we're gonna iterate from left to right, and I is equal to 1, I is less than nums dot length I plus plus. Our result of I is gonna be equal to the result of I minus 1 multiplied by nums of I minus 1. So at this point, our result has the product of all the elements except self, just from the left hand side. Now we're gonna do the same from the right hand side. For that, we're gonna initialize our right equals to 1, and for int I or int j equals to nums dot length minus 1, j is greater than equal to 0, and j negative negative. uh, oops okay, the result of j is gonna be equal to right multiplied by the result of j, and then we're gonna change the right to that right multiplied by that num of j. So basically this right is the product from the right hand side. So we are actually iterating from right to left, and we are updating the right uh, to be the product of all the elements from the right side up to that element, and then we are multiplying that the result of the from the left side and from the right side over here, and then we're going to be returning the result. This should be nums. Looking good. And it works.